Following the recent removal of protections for gender-affirming care, Iowa is being added to the list of states where California lawmakers cannot visit with taxpayer dollars.
KSBY News reporter Asia Gore joins us live in studio with more on the travel restriction and what that may mean for California leaders. Good morning, Asia.
Well, good morning. That travel restriction is set to take effect October 4th. As you can see here, Iowa now being added to that list of states where California funded and sponsored travel is prohibited.
We need to tell these states that trans rights, LGBTQ rights are human rights. The way we do that is speaking with our dollars as people and as states.
California Attorney General Javier Becerra plugging the piggy bank for visits to Iowa after legislators there vote to shortchange transgender Medicaid recipients.
This amendment takes away the civil rights of Iowa's transgender population.
Democrats speaking out against the measure, which repeals health care protections for transgender Iowans seeking gender-affirming care.
A transgender person transitions to live every day as the gender they've always known themselves to be.
With that vote, the state of Iowa now on the blacklist of California's state-financed and sponsored travel. The Hawkeye state joins 9 other states on that list. Gala Executive Director Michelle Call appreciates California's effort to defend transgender health care, but she says the restrictions may be short-sighted.
The opportunity for a free exchange of ideas is really important, and if they can't go there, then they can't really bring that message.
Call says her husband, a Cal Poly professor, had to pay out of pocket last year to attend a conference in Alabama.
While he was there, he met with a group of LGBT young folks, and they exchanged ideas, and he got to hear about how it is growing up to be gay or lesbian or transgender in Alabama. And that kind of exchange is the kind of thing that won't happen if people that work in California can't travel to those states on state money.
In a statement, the Attorney General writes, quote, California has taken an unambiguous stand against discrimination and government actions that would enable it. That travel restriction applies to state agencies, departments, boards, and commissions, as well as the public university system.
And Asia, how might this restriction impact Cal Poly athletes and the system itself?
Well, I reached out to a spokesperson for Cal Poly, and he says he doesn't anticipate any kind of impacts on the university right now. There are some exceptions to this new rule. One of them is to allow contractual obligations that were created before January 1st, 2017 to be kept. So it's unclear how athletics would be affected if they were scheduled after that date.
All right. Thank you very much, Asia.
Thanks.